Alright, so here is the first design, the first iteration. Actually, it's a kind of traditional mechanism for activating a robot neck with few tweaks. Here, instead of using a double hinge, actually I'm using a ball joint with 3 degrees of freedom. And here we have one servo motor, the second one is missing, it's going to be fitted on the other side, and these two servo motors will control the roll and the tilt, and the yaw is going to be controlled from servo with a spur gear system. So the whole mechanism will turn left and right. So here I did this design because this design actually allows me to test also the idea when we have the 3 linear actuators as to be used in a way that we have analyzed based on the paper you came through. But this is a solution that has some limitation, mostly of the yaw, but I put it in a way that we can test it by utilizing this device here, or this design here. But for now, this specific one works with 3 servos, one on the left here, one on the right that is missing, and 3 here. And also, instead of the 2 servos here, we can also play around in installing linear actuators, 2, or with a small modification, even 3. And here is, as I said, the yaw thing. And after this, I want to make something robust and more real, close to a real product, and I made this joint that actually is the center part of the neck again, but it's much more robust, has a plate that pushes the joint in the socket. But most importantly, instead of 3 degrees of freedom, here we have 2 degrees of freedom, because I have created this nice redundancy, so it doesn't turn left and right, only goes like this. Imagine your manual gearbox of your car. This is how it works, and have a space in the middle to pass all the cables. And the yaw axis here will be implemented either here on the top, will turn like this, or here on the bottom. I need to define what look better and from different perspectives. And this is the only stuff that I have done. Mostly is research and bit of design. Yeah, I have confirmed some ideas already, so how to go to the next step.